Hello and welcome to another market brief with Muneeb at Fleetmaxx Solutions. So let's get right into it then. So what a volatile week we've seen. Oil has absolutely been surging. So from last week when we looked at oil, we were trading at the area of $116 a barrel. I did put a sort of a forecast out where oil could bounce from the area of 113 and climb up, and it literally has played out that to the T. So pat on the back. Since then, oil has literally been surging from 113 to $124 a barrel. That's a 9.45% rally. So this week, oil is up for 4.34%, and for the month is up 20.75%. A massive surge, and it doesn't look like it's stopping anytime soon. Today, we just touched $124 a barrel and took out the previous high yesterday at 122. The next area where we're looking at the price to sort of test is around about $126 a barrel, and then may find some resistance there. If 126 doesn't hold, it looks like a retest of all the way back to the all-time highs. Well, not the all-time highs, the multi-year high of $133 a barrel. A lot of big banks are forecasting and investment funds that oil will continue its onslaught and continue to rally maybe to $140 or $150 a barrel. And if that's the case, in the price of diesel, we're looking at way over a £2 a litre in the foreseeable future. Even though the Saudis have been told to increase supply dramatically, and Biden is expected to have a meeting with the Saudis next month to increase supply at a massive rate, so oil market can stabilize and drop back down. I mean, the only thing is, will that actually happen? Because it is this sort of drop where the Saudis have flooded the market did take place in 2020, and oil literally dropped from here. You can have a look from $70 a barrel just before lockdown. Oil came all the way down to $22 a barrel, and then that's when lockdown kicked in too, and it went to the low of $17 a barrel. But the only problem is the dynamics have changed a little in this case, because Russia is off the table, and Russia is a major player in oil. So will Saudis and the rest of the world be able to fill the gap? We'll just have to wait and see. Moving over to the pound dollar exchange rate, we remain range bound. We opened up just below 12500 area and ranging between that and 126. We made a bit of a low to 124.28, and since then markets have sort of climbed back up. Again, we remain in that range bound. There's not much on the pound. Again, for the pound, it's down 0.35% for the week, and modest gains of 1.78% for the month. So what I see for oil predictions, this is the best bit, eh? I see oil again climbing, making new highs to maybe $126 a barrel. Again, if that is breached, I see it continuing a little higher and maybe hitting 130 area. Again, there's nothing that is stopping oil for the time being. I think the onslaught on oil will continue to make new highs. So for the week, price of diesel is going up quite significantly. So my advice is fill up this week before the new prices kick in on Monday. And that's all for me then. Join me again next week. Thanks.